Subscribe now for update video every day.
Description of Kumano Kodo Trail Self-Guided Walking Holidays, Japan. The Kumano Kodo is an iconic network of long-distance walking trails. Following in the footsteps of pilgrims and nobility from 11th century Japan as they traveled from Kyoto to the three great shrines of Kumano, scattered among the Kii Mountains in the Kii Peninsula. This is the largest peninsula on Japan's main island of Honshu, and the Kumano Kodo Trail is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Divided into three main subroutes, Nakahiki Trail, Kohiki Trail and Izenji Trail, the Kumano Kodo offers a whole range of walking options. This self-guided walking holiday can be designed in various lengths with up to 11 hiking days, with some fairly strenuous treks of up to 8 hours of walking per day. The route is very well marked, so in terms of logistics for self-guided walking, it is very easy. Plus our itineraries are flexible. Of course, whichever route you take, you will enjoy hiking through ancient bamboo forests and mist-covered mountain terrain, staying at traditional ryokan inns, bathing in hot spring baths, and of course taking time out at serene and sacred temples. The Kumano Kodo self-guided tours offer 4, 5 or 6 days walking village to village along the old Nakahiki pilgrimage route heading west to east across the Kii Peninsula. The Kumano to Koya self-guided tour offers 5 days of walking village to village from south to north along the Kaheki Trail, another wonderful section of the pilgrimage route leading from Kumano Hongu Taisha Shrine to spiritual Mount Koya. Or combine both self-guided tours, taking in both the Nakaheki and Kaheki trails, to produce a trip of 9 or 11 days.